how it sounds to lose the EG.
So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep the energy
deep into spots like this, over towards market, and then
nothing sight now. I'm gonna flash up you, man. Flashing now. 3, 2, 1.
Go for market.
One stairs, one stairs. I'm flashing over sight. Wait, flashing sight. 3, 2, 1. Nice, all dead, all dead. All dead.
Damn! The comms are nice! The fuck? 3, 2, 1, pop! 3, 2, 1, pop!
Playing, playing.
Flashing it.
Flash. 1 HP jet. I have lane still, I got lane still.
Crouch off me, crouch me. I can't hold lane with you.
Lane dead. I got it. Lane dead. Oh. Let's go, boys.
Oh. What the fuck? I feel like I can only hear Ethan, though. Like, everyone else is, like, pretty quiet, you know? 1B, 1 market, and Ethan's turbo calming.
I'm already worried. Yeah, I mean, this one's stacked.
Come on,
Monitor hitting out. Watch for dart. One more. Wait for dart. Just on sight. Sight. I close door. Heaven. Dice. Heaven.
Heaven. Nice. Round Ethan.
Thank you.
Yeah, this pistol round, though, it was supposed to feel
I know what they need. They need a vibe merchant. But there's no vibe merchant on this team. They're all, like, even the coach isn't a vibe merchant. Demon 1 will never start screaming and, like, let's go, guys. Jimmy, I don't think Jimmy would, like, I think, like, old Jimmy would do that. You know what I mean? Like, 2 years ago, Jimmy would do that. But now, Jimmy doesn't give a fuck no more. Ethan's been playing too many big tournaments, too many, like, to get hype, I feel like. Crashes and Victor, they're literally, like, the most, like, non-hype people probably, bro. Victor doesn't even talk. Like, Victor literally he just frags. I don't know. Maybe they're just all too rich. Like, fuck. Do they not have the hunger anymore?
They split.
Just like, you just go heaven. I'm not sure. Yeah, break door, whatever. Yep, open by the
Yeah, I'll slash. I'll smoke.
Yep, door. Flash heaven.
Peek in heaven. One still cat.
Go in heaven. They're pivoting door now, maybe. Okay, you ready? Yeah, ready. Go. Flashing now. Oh, miss.
He's in door. 2, 3 doors. 3 in door.
Hold blind.
1 gen, 3 door. They might flank heaven.
Yeah, they are.
Gen in the outdoor.
Gen dead. One more gen. Gen dead.
Get me.
Tapping.
Nice. Let's go, guys.
Damn, vibe merchant Marved? Okay, Marved.
Tapping.
Nice. Let's go, guys.
Why does Demon 1 just sound like so, like, sad? Like, did you hear his nice right there, chat? Like, listen.
Tapping.
Nice. Let's go, guys.
Like, nice. Like, what, bro? Damn, bro. It's like, man, something ain't right. Nice. Damn. His person. Oh, true. I mean, fuck. I mean, damn. I mean, shit, my fault. I mean, damn. If they allowed balling up.
bouncing back, and it's a cool angle.
Yeah. They're running up mid, sprinting up mid.
I'll flash off this drone.
I'm out there. Not it. Cancel.
He can flash.
Beat me into market dead. I have market. Holding B mid. One more market. Market in mid. Or market in B mid. Mid. Market last.
What's you pitch?
2v1. Never stop.
I need to hear them celebrate a clutch.
Nice. Odin down spawn. On my ping.
I'll get it.
Good call, Austin.
Wow, now this play. Joggerman with the bucket.
Close. Guards coming. He's
A
in the corner.
Bucky the fuck.
Go. Planning gen. I've been main. A main's mine. Heavy gen.
I'm flank cat.
Nice. One more gen, maybe jet.
Dad. I'm flank cat.
Gen or heaven?
Okay, I need to listen to them win around.
Flank. Perfect. Yeah, perfect.
Gen.
With
Bucky and knives. Gen, last guy. Wait, I'm going door.
Ever 40.
I need to hear them win because like when you're watching the EG comms, like at every moment in the game they believe they can win and they're all so hype, but these energy comms just aren't that exciting to me, bro. Like deadass. Like let me hear some winning comms here.
In a pretty rapid fashion, no longer to
open door and come out. It's fine. We're good. Flashing now. They're taking one more. Go on the orb. 2, 3. One more stairs. Together.
Wait.
Hold on. He ran up. Together. Grab the
I have vent. Let me plan.
Let me hear a nice here. Let me hear a nice. Let me passionate nice. Come on. You won the first pistol round. Let's get hype here. Like deadass, I'd be hype if we won the first pistol round.
Perfect. Good work. Good comms. Let's go, man. That's around the back.
Come on, man.
Trips broke.
There's no energy. Like, what the fuck is that, bro? Nah. Like, come on, guys. Like they're literally just like, what it feels like right now is that like they're all work acquaintances going to work and having fun. I mean, not even having fun, just trying to get business done. When I'm watching EG, if they win the first best round, yes! Let's go, boys. Come on. Next round. Let's go. Let's hype. You need that energy, bro. You need to... Fuck. I don't know. Maybe they need more team chemistry. Maybe they need to do, like, more bonding outside of the game. Like, do you guys think they talk a lot outside of game? I feel like these guys don't even talk that much outside of the game. I feel like Jimmy's doing his own thing. Maybe Crashies and Vic are talking... Like, what is it? I don't know what it is, bro. Maybe... I think they need a boot camp. They need a boot camp together. That's what they need. They need a nice, long boot camp. Because right now, I'm just watching coworkers play together 9 to 5.
Let's go, man. That's around the back.
Come on, man.
Trips broken onto the flank. This is a fast approach by NRG.
Behind,
Like, Jimmy's trying. He's like, come on, man. But damn, it's like, no. This...
Winnable.
25 at feet.
Yeah, I'm drilling. They're gonna take heaven, Vic. You should maybe go back to heaven or leave it.
There you
Welcome.
Fade 5 HP.
I'm gonna drill heaven for
Oh,
Omen planted. Drilling heaven.
Toxins going up.
Nice. Fade sword. Wait for this
Phase
one.
1
5
HP on feed.
Pulling left.
Okay, they should be hyped to win this round. This is a big round to win. Surely they're hype, right?
I don't have it done. Tree.
5 HP, 5 HP.
Nice.
Come on, bro.
Good round. Good util, Ethan.
Information they were looking for, but again, it's that mountain plant.
I don't like it. I just don't like it. Do you guys like it, chat? You guys like it, chat? You guys like the energy? It's too calm. You just won a thrifty round. You're down 9 to 6. You're gonna make the comeback start. That's a big round to win right there. Surely we get a little excited, no?